Hey, I'm CopperCarver, and today we're doing the unboxing and review of the FASTSNAIL Switch controller. Today we're checking out the FASTSNAIL Wireless P-Controller for the Switch 2, Switch 1, and OLED. This thing is loaded, guys. You've got a dynamic RGB lighting with 9 colors, multiple modes like breathing and strobe, plus adjustable brightness to match your setup. Inside, there's a 1000 battery rated for up to 18 hours of gameplay, so long sessions shouldn't be a problem. On the back, you got programmable M1 and M2 buttons with macro support, adjustable turbo speeds, and 6-axis gyro for motion control. It also features 4 levels of vibration, precision 3D Joy-Cons, or joysticks I should say, Bluetooth pairing, wired mode, and one-touch wake-up support for your Switch. So on paper, this thing is bringing Pro Controller performance. However, this thing is only $30. Let's crack it open and see what we actually get in the box. Let me start off by saying that this is coming from someone that absolutely loves their Switch 2 Pro Controller, the way it feels, the way it fits in your hand, just the button responsiveness, and someone that absolutely loves their Switch 2. I also have the Switch 1, which this controller does work with the Switch 1 as well, and the OLED. And I just want to say that I find myself utilizing the Switch 2 more than the Switch 1 by a huge margin. So finding the perfect controller or additional controllers that could be used for second players, or if this one's charging, or who knows if I like this one more than the Pro Controller, which nothing against the company, but I kind of doubt that I'm gonna like this more than the Pro Controller. Hey, you never know though. I don't know. I love RGB lighting, and this has RGB lights. It has Hall effect triggers, vibration sensory, joystick aperture. I mean, it has so many different things. It has programmable buttons on the back. I mean, it's just an all-around great looking controller. Plus, it's only around $30, which, heck, Joy-Cons are still around $70, and I disagree with that price tag tremendously. I have done other FASTSNAIL products before, so I am excited that I was sent this one. And this can actually wake up your Switch, which is really cool. But you know what? Let's go ahead and unbox this. We'll connect it, and I'll let you know my overall feelings with its responsiveness and how it feels in your hands. All right, so we got the box right here. Let's just go ahead and open it up. We'll take a look inside. So right away, the controller. You know what? I'm just gonna dump everything out. Why the heck not? So right here, looks like we have the controller itself. Oh, I must have pressed a button because it is already lighting up and trying to connect. I will tell you right away, this feels good in your hands. It has grips on it, which feel extremely nice. The triggers actually feel really good. I like how there's like almost this curve to it. Guys, this feels nice. The D-pad feels nice, it clicks. But anyways, okay, hold on. Let's look at everything else that was in the box. But here is the controller. And then right here is the USB-A to USB-C cord that it comes with. And then right here, it looks like we have the manual that I guess explains how to connect it, how to go about everything. I'm assuming that it also talks about how to change the lighting features. It has illumination mode, breathing cycle color, laser change mode. So it goes through how to do that. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and connect it to the Switch real quick. Okay, so I gotta press and hold this from what I understand. Now I click and hold this. Yep, there it goes. So I'm gonna go back and look, there it is. Let me just click in the game real quick. So I'm gonna click in Skyrim. I know, Skyrim. But they did just add the 60 frames to the Switch 2 version, which I absolutely love. All right, here we go.
I'm sure he made it out. It'll take more than a dragon to stop Alfred's Stormcloak. I let them into the house and...
I say responsiveness is pretty good. Now I know that this game in itself has had issues with his responsiveness. Controllers feel real nice. I'm not feeling a vibration right now. Am I supposed to feel a vibration right now? I don't know. But everything, I mean, everything looks good. I'm looking around, moving the cursor. It's moving real good. I press the home button, it goes to the home button. The plus and minus, I like how they're kind of on the sides. Like this. Yeah, but I mean, right away, it feels nice. That's. I know I keep saying that, but it really does. It feels good and it feels responsive. Let me see how I change the colors around it real quick. This T. Okay, so to change the colors, I hold down RT, click T. Ah, so there's orange. Let's try again. Oh no, it's actually breathing through different colors. Okay, there's like a spinning back and forth. Let's try again. So like I said, you hold the right thumbstick and click T. Is that off? Do it again. So there's just spinning RGB. So there's 1. Breathing colors, 2. Spinning, that's 3. 4 is off. So that's 3 color modes. I thought it said 4. So apparently you can change the brightness. I'm having a hard time getting it to work, but there's a 25, 50, 75, 100% brightness where you can change the brightness levels. Turbo functions, so you can add turbo functions. But yeah, guys, so many cool different features, and I love the way it feels. This is a nice controller for $30, guys. This is 100% worth it. So I'm gonna fill this one, and then I'm gonna fill this one. So, I mean, they feel honestly just completely different in your hand. This one reminds me more of an Xbox controller with the way it feels and the grips on the back. I like the way that this one feels grip-wise, texture-wise, more than this one. This one feels a lot smaller in your hand than this one as well. Honestly, I mean, I like them both a lot. It's hard to say which one's better. So overall, I'm still learning this controller and dialing everything in, but first impressions, I actually like it a lot. It feels really nice in the hands, the buttons are responsive, and the RGB just adds that extra touch if you're into customizing your setup. For the price alone, honestly, it's worth checking out, especially with the back buttons, turbo, and the battery life it is offering. I'll keep putting more time into it, but as far as it goes, I mean, I'm pretty impressed. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If it did, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.